Zero clear for takeoff on 107, wind estimated 040 at 15.
Clear for takeoff, JetBlue 380.
Airborne 47, contact Sangster Radar 120, decimal 8.
Push to JetBlue 380, good day.
Continue approach runway 7, wind estimated 040 at 16.
Continue over, Juno.
Clear to land runway 7, wind estimated 040 at 13.
Clear to land, copy that, window over, Juno. 730, 100 for the RNP runway 07.
Runway 04, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 040 at 13 knots.
Rouge 1804. Status and over, Juno.
Juliet, on time, 55, Alpha to 1 Bravo, Montego 1217.
On 55, Alpha 1 Bravo, over, Juno.
Sangster Tower.
Rouge 1804.
04 clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 040 degrees 12 knots.
On runway 07, Rouge 1804. 916 on the RNAV 7.
916 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees 15 knots.
6, continue approach.
Three-04 arrive at 59, vacate that taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Right turn on Alpha, ground 217, Rouge 1804. Tower JetBlue 1127, outside of Spain on the RMP 7.
JetBlue 1127 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees 15 knots.
Continue approach JetBlue 1127.
916 clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees 15 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 916.
916 arrive 03, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 1 the small 7, good day.
Ground point 8, Southwest 916, yeah.
Small 7.
7, thank you.
Sangster Tower Papa 146, we are crossing Hussein for the RMP, runway 07.
27, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 15 knots estimated.
Clear to land on runway 7, JetBlue 1127.
6, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 15 knots.
Yeah, approach Papa 146.
I just confirm, is that taxi at Bravo available? JetBlue 1127?
We've arranged to vacate on Alpha.
Vacate on Alpha, JetBlue 1127.
One 127, arrive 06, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 1 the small 7.
Vacate on Alpha, go point 7, JetBlue 1127.
46, clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 030 degrees, 10 knots.
Ground runway 07, Papa 146.
Staying on the RC runway 7.
75 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 14 knots.
Bridge American 875. Juliet Alpha Delta, short so.
Juliet November, Juliet Sangster Tower, short runway 07 intersection Delta.
Juliet intersection Delta, roger that. Coming in Bridge American 875, confirm certainty approach.
875 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Continue the approach American 875.
6 arrive, Juliet November, runway Alpha, contact Delta, caution 07.
Sun Delta 07, come for the caution, North Virginia.
1.7, Papa 146, have a good day.
November, Juliet, clear for takeoff runway 07 intersection Delta, wind estimated 050 degrees, 14 knots.
If I take off, I'll put it in North Virginia.
875, traffic system 206, departing runway 07, proceeding westbound, climbing to 1000.
875, copies traffic.
75, clear to land runway 07, wind 040 degrees, 12 knots.
Bird 17, American 875.
Eight seven five, arrive 12, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 1 the small 7.
Hit Alpha over to ground American 875. Turning final runway 7.
62 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees, 15 knots, report done it.
Continue inbound for the RMP runway 7, will report done it, United 1462. 1462 is done it.
1462, clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 17 knots.
And runway 7, United 1462.
One 462, arrive 26, vacate right taxiway Alpha, contact ground 12.7.
Turn on Alpha 1217, United 1462.
When 013 Sangster Tower, are you ready for departure?
We're ready in 2 minutes.
Short runway 07.
Close to the runway 077013.
For takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots estimated.
Runway 07, aeronautical 7013. Tower Delta 1997, we are 3 miles from Bolt on the RMP runway 07.
997 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 13 knots. 997 Sangster Tower, how do you read?
I got you, Delta 1997.
1997, continue approach runway 07.
Continue the approach for 07, Delta 1997.
One 997, clear to land runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 15 knots estimated.
1997, clear to land runway 7.
7013, airborne 41, contact Santa Rita 120.8.
0.8, aeronautical 7013.
Yankee Juliet, November, Juliet Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees, 12 knots. 1997, arrive 44, vacate by taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Alright, right on to Alpha and we'll contact ground 121.7, Delta 1997.
Southwest 907 is ready, runway 07.
907 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, Southwest 907.
Seven cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 11 knots estimated.
For takeoff, runway 07, Southwest 907.
Tower Delta 1935, RNN of RP 07.
1955 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 13 knots.
New approach, Delta 1955.
Runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 14 knots.
07, clear to land, Delta 1955.
907, airborne 54, contact Sangster radar 120.8, have a good one.
0.8, Southwest 907.
Alpha line up and wait, runway 07, intersection Delta, caution wait.
Runway 07, intersection Delta, caution wait, 67 miles.
So 1955, arrive 58, vacate by taxiway Alpha, contact ground 120.7, good day.
Alpha, over to ground 121.7, good day, Delta 1955, thanks.
Group 18 Sangster Tower.
Southwest 273, ready for departure.
Sangster Tower, go short runway 07.
Code short runway 07, Southwest 273.
RP 07.
2618, clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 13 knots.
Alright, clear to land 07, American 2618.
Tree, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait for an 807 Southwest 273.
Arrive 16, vacate by taxi, Alpha contact ground 120.7.
Alpha and then contact ground 121.7 American 2618. We'll be back in view.
Tower, good afternoon, Southwest 272 is approaching Usain for the RMP runway 7.
73, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind estimated 080 degrees 15 knots.
Off runway 07 Southwest 273.
72 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 060 degrees 16 knots.
Continuing the approach Southwest 272.
780, holding short, runway 07 ready for departure.
JetBlue 780 Sangster Tower, hold short, runway 07.
Hold short, 07, JetBlue 780.
To reduce the minimum releasing Airbus 321.
Reducing speed, minimum speed, Southwest 272.
780, line up and wait, runway 07.
7 JetBlue 780.
Airborne 18, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
0.8 Southwest 273, good day.
Cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees 12 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 780.
Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees 14 knots estimated.
Runway 7, Southwest 272.
80 Airborne 20, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
20.8 JetBlue 780.
Arrive 22, vacate by taxi, Alpha contact ground 120.7, good day.
Right on Alpha, switch ground. We'll see you later, Southwest 272.
Bless up, brother.
Tower JetBlue 279ers, switching to the RNAV runway 7.
279 Sangster International continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 13 knots.
Continuing the approach, JetBlue 279.
47 Sangster, are you ready for departure?
Active Copa 147, we're not ready for departure.
47 hold short runway 07.
Runway 07, Copa 147.
79er clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
To land runway 7 at JetBlue 279.
05 Sangster to confirm ready on reaching the holding point.
The cabin should be another minute, Rouge 1805.
Tower Southwest 918, RMP 07.
Sangster to continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 15 knots.
Houston Southwest 918.
Roger, hold short runway 07.
Hold short 07, Rouge 1805.
This is Tower Copa 147, we're ready for departure. Runway 07.
147, roger, hold short runway 07.
Runway 07, Copa 147.
Reduce to minimum releasing Boeing 739er.
Final speed, Southwest 918.
147 line up on wait, runway 07.
Wait, runway 07, Copa 147.
Error 31, vacate back taxiway Alpha contact run 121.7 flight vacating.
The runway at Alpha over to ground, JetBlue 279er. British 1805 will be ready for takeoff in sequence.
05, roger, hold short runway 07.
British 1805.
47, clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots, no delay on the road.
Takeoff Copa 147, runway 07.
Juliet Alpha, Delta, Charge 7.
November Juliet, Sangster to hold short runway 07 intersection Delta.
07, Delta, Juliet.
On 8 clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees, 15 knots.
07, Southwest 918.
Departure 122, this is Ship 147.
November, Julia, line up and wait, runway 07 intersection, Delta caution weak.
Runway intersection, Delta 07, copy caution, over Julia.
Around 8, arrive 34, vacate last taxiway, Alpha contact run 110.7.
Alpha and ground point 17 Southwest 918.
805, line up and wait, runway 07.
That point runway 07, reach 1805.
Cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind estimated 050 degrees 13 knots.
Runway 07, reach 1805.
Juliet, airborne 35, contact transfer radar 120.8.
120, Thunder Wave 1, over Julia.
1126, Sangster Tower, are you ready for departure?
Ship 1126, affirmative.
1126, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 7, line up and wait. Ship 1126.
Airborne 37, contact Sangster radar 120.8, have a good one.
120.8, reach 1805, good day.
1126, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees 15 knots.
You have runway 07, JetBlue 1126.
Airborne 39er, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
120.8, JetBlue 1126, good day.
American 863, holding short runway 7, we're ready for departure.
863 Sangster Tower, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 7, American 863. Runway 07, copy, 875.
863, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, American 8630.
Airborne 42, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
120.8, American 863.